What are you doing? What are you doing, son? Get up and go feed them birds now. Go feed them damn birds now. Don't be in that trap trying to get a 2-for-1 deal now. But anyway, go to the gas station with me. I haven't crunked this bad boy up in some months now. Good old F-150 right here now. You don't know nothing about that right there. You don't know nothing. Well, we made it. Let's go feed them birds now. Alright, now that's it right there. I went and fed them birds right there. Can't show you my rooster because my rooster going through moat. Now y'all look horrible. But that's it right there. Love y'all. Y'all take care.